name is Alicia, and I'm a part of the Landzille Internship Program.
This program is basically like an education program where you are learning about land management, land ownership, and land building.
It was just like learning about the types of land and what you had to consider when you were looking at land.
And being able to negotiate, like, do I really want to buy this land? Because just because it's land doesn't mean you should buy it.
I learned about the different uses of land that you could use, not just buying it and let it sit.
I learned a lot, especially about the process of land investment, the kind of aspects that you need to consider, like the zoning.
We used real estate to learn about how technology plays a role in society.
I really wanted to start learning about land investment, as mainly I was focusing my path on engineering, but I wanted to explore into different paths I could take after college.
I want to major in management information systems, so that is a mix of business and technology. That's the main reason why I was interested in this internship, because I knew that those were topics that were going to be covered.
In the future, I'll probably have it on the side since I want to become a dentist.
If you're able to find a way to help our community through land investment, through leadership, it's really impactful for all these families to help them start up and help them grow.
It makes me know more about lands. You know what kind of things you can do on the land, the pricing, the sizes, everything like that, and what you're looking for in the land if you want to use it for businesses, for farming.
Even if land investment isn't a thing that you think about, I think it's good to really explore, get beyond your comfort zone at times, because who knows, you could develop a real spark, real interest in something that you didn't even know anything about, you didn't even know that you wanted to do it.
Experience has exceeded all my expectations.
And I'm very grateful for this experience.
Be on the lookout for opportunities like this one.
It's never too late to start.
So I would advise that you could join this program and you would learn a lot. It's going to be really, really helpful as well.